Hey Mayuri,
Yo, what's up?
you have studied in the UK, right?
Yes,
How was the experience?
it was amazing.
Yeah, I wish I could also study there.
You still can. I mean, what's holding you back?
It's very costly. I don't think I can afford it.
You do know that you can study in the UK like absolutely free of cost.
Are you kidding me?
I am not. Do you want to study in the UK?
Yeah.
Do you really want to study in the UK?
Yes.
Okay then. What is up guys? I am Mayuri, your career coach और इस वीडियो में I am going to share top 5 scholarships that you can avail to make your study in the UK dream come true. But before that, quickly click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss out on any videos on this study abroad special. Now, if you are ready, let us begin. Let's go. Number 1, Great Scholarship. Yes, that's the name of the scholarship. If you're looking out for doing a master's in UK, do check out this scholarship. तो ब्रिटिश काउंसिल और यूके यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ने साथ में मिलके ये स्कॉलरशिप स्टार्ट की है. द मिनिमम अमाउंट फॉर दिस स्कॉलरशिप इज £10,000, which in INR would be approximately 10 lakh rupees. So masters in the UK are generally for 1 year. So this scholarship is only applicable for postgraduate degree courses that are for 1 year. They are looking out for dedicated applicants who have excellent academic track record. So guys, यहाँ ध्यान रहे कि not all the UK universities have partnered within this program. So make sure you check their website. In fact, let's check their website together. So guys, this is the website for great scholarships for Indians. I will put all the links in the description below. So as you can see, the minimum scholarship for this award is £10,000, which goes towards your tuition fee for a 1-year master's course. The most important thing here to check is the participating UK universities, and this can change year to year. So in 2022-23, these are the universities which are participating in this scholarship. And you can check out the rest of the details how to apply over here. And they have also included the eligibility criteria and what are they looking for in a great scholar. Number 2, Commonwealth Scholarship. These are very competitive, fully funded scholarships to study in the UK, which covers your tuition fee, your living expenses and other allowances. They are looking out for talented individuals who have the potential to create a positive impact at a global stage. Let's check out their website together. So guys, this is the website for Commonwealth Scholarship. Make sure you read all the aspects of this, क्योंकि जितना आप ज़्यादा वेल अवेयर रहोगे उतना आप एप्लीकेशन में काम कर सकते हो. So this includes who can apply, what type of awards are available, and what financial support is available, how to apply, what to apply, everything. And the second link that I would suggest you to go through is this one, कॉमनवेल्थ मास्टर स्कॉलरशिप. अगेन इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूंगी. यहाँ पे यू विल फाइंड ओवरव्यू ऑफ दिस स्कॉलरशिप, हाउ टू अप्लाई, स्कॉलर एलिजिबिलिटी, एलिजिबल कंट्री, सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस एंड ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू वुड रिक्वायर. नंबर 3, चार्ल्स वॉलेस इंडिया ट्रस्ट स्कॉलरशिप. गाइज, ये स्कॉलरशिप ना थोड़ी डिफरेंट है बिकॉज द एलिजिबिलिटी इज डिफरेंट. This scholarship is mostly for mature applicants who are aged between 28 to 38 with work experience. This scholarship covers your accommodation and living expenses along with your travel expenses to the UK. And also this scholarship is course specific scholarship, तो हर एक course इसमें applicable नहीं है. To check that out, let's go through their website together. So guys, this is the Charles Wallace India Trust scholarship page. तो यहाँ पे भी आपको एक क्लियरली ओवरव्यू दिख जाएगा. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज़ टू नोटिस द एलिजिबिलिटी. यहाँ पे यू हैव टू बी बिटवीन 28 to 38 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, तो ही आप एप्लीकेबल हो अप्लाई करने के लिए. एंड द सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज़ ये कोर्स स्पेसिफिक स्कॉलरशिप है. मतलब अगर आप आर्ट्स रिलेटेड, एज यू कैन सी, और हेरिटेज कॉन्वर्जेशन रिलेटेड कोर्स कर रहे हो तो ही आप एप्लीकेबल हो इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए. सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दीज एस्पेक्ट्स एंड यू विल सी कि यहाँ पे हाउ टू अप्लाई, व्हेन टू अप्लाई, सारा प्रोसीजर लेट डाउन है. आई वुड ऑल्सो रिकमेंड गाइज कि यहाँ पे जो कम्युनिटी टैब है आप उसको भी गो थ्रू करना. because यहाँ पे you will find experiences of alumni and the students who got this scholarship in the past. So make sure you read all of this so that you are better aware while applying to this scholarship. Number 4, British Council Scholarship for Women in STEM. So UNESCO ने ये डेटा निकाला है कि only 30% of females actually pursue STEM courses in higher education. STEM is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Hence to promote more females to pursue these fields, ये scholarship start की गई है. So if you are a female and wanting to study a master's in any of the STEM courses, do check out this scholarship. Not all the universities have partnered with this scholarship, so let's check them out together exactly which all universities fall under this scholarship. So इस पेज पे आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे ब्रिटिश काउंसिल स्कॉलरशिप फॉर वुमेन इन स्टेम and one of the most important things here to make a note is firstly go through their eligibility requirement over here, and secondly not all the UK universities are partnered under this scholarship, so make sure you go through this university list. तो आप जो देख रहे हो आपके स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ ये यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ये स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड करती है. तो इफ़ यू हैव एन ऑफर लेटर फ्रॉम दिस यूनिवर्सिटी ओनली देन यू विल बी एप्लीकेबल. And of course how to apply, what are the benefits of this scholarship, all the details you can find it over here. Number 5, Shivering Scholarship. This is again a very competitive scholarship which is fully funded and it takes care of your tuition fee, your living expenses and your airfare ticket. यहाँ पे ध्यान रहे कि you will need at least 2 years of work experience to apply for this scholarship. The most important aspect of this scholarship, guys, is you have to return back to India for a minimum of 2 years after your award has ended. Let's check out their website. So this is the Shivinin India page. यहाँ पे भी आपको इस टैब में सारी information मिल जाएगी. Who can apply, what are the application timelines, guidance, FAQs, and when you will scroll down you will find when does the application starts, as you can see on your screen, and what are the required documents, what are the selection timelines and application guidelines on references and interviews. Also guide यहाँ पे मेरा टिप ये होगा कि go through the alumni section, क्योंकि यहाँ पे you will get contacts of students who have actually secured this scholarship in the past, so that you can approach them on different social media platforms and take guidance from them. So guys, these were the top-notch scholarships for you to fulfill your study abroad dreams in the UK. In fact guys, UK has one of the highest satisfaction rates amongst English-speaking countries, and I can totally vouch for it, +1, because I have studied in UK myself. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please drop a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.